He's on the far side. Here, come on.
Where is it?
It's in there. Even any more guys.
What is it, bear?
No, just open it up and look.
Grab that.
You're gonna need like 12 more of those things. It's in there.
I don't see anything.
What? No, No, I trapped him in here. He was huge. He had tentacles and giant eyes.
You guys go on ahead. I'll handle this.
Rick, I know what you're thinking, but you gotta believe me. He sucked all the oil out of the can. He sucked it out.
Are you done? Huh? I knew it. I knew it as soon as I heard it was you on the call. I knew something wasn't gonna go right. You thought this would be funny? Huh? Pranking me and my guys, making me look like an idiot?
I saw it.
Yeah, well, I hope it was fun. You're gonna wind up just like your dad if you don't straighten out.
Don't talk about my dad.
That's it for you. That's it.
I just feel so squeezed in here, like trapped. Like, I might die here if I don't get one of those scholarships because there's no way we can afford an out-of-state school, but there's no way I can imagine staying here either, you know? I mean, did you see that thing on the news about the burning well? It's like nobody cares about how much damage they're doing to the environment because all the money in this town comes from Terravex oil.
Hey, you know a lot about biology, right?
That's what I'm tutoring you in.
How often do you discover new species?
Seriously? I was just watching a show on this. Do you watch Nat Geo?
No.
Oh, well, they said that they discover, like, 15,000 new species every year.
So would it be possible for there to be like a giant sea creature here in North Dakota?
Technically, totally. This whole state was under an ocean at one point, so theoretically, the deep lakes could have something like that.
I mean, on land. A giant sea creature on land.
Well, no, because its body evolved in a water environment, so it wouldn't be able to move with the effects of gravity pulling on it. Did you want to watch that show? Because I have it on my DVR.
It's 4 o'clock. I'll see you later.